Hello, good morning. This is preparing my breakfast this morning. So this is beans. I've already matcha. I grinded it, So I didn't want to show you before, but on the second time, I said let me show you. So I'm turning the beans. I'm going to put onions and I'm going to put pepper and fry it. So I've put my pepper, onion, salt, turn it again. This akra is going to be very, very tasty. It's going to be tasty, okay? So I'm going to start frying. Let me put my oil on fire. So the akra is frying now. Can you see it frying without stress? Don't take me play, oh. It's frying, still frying, oh. Come on, my dish, oh. This is my duplex chicken, oh. It's still frying. It's taking time, but I want it to get brown before I can put it down. I'm bringing it out of the fire. As you can see, my first set of akara is ready, so I can. It's looking delicious. So I'm going to use this to do for all this morning. I hope you like this akara.